You're the granddaughter of the founder of Cartel, and you founded it in 1949. So, is there a memory that you most cherish regarding your grandfather?
Oh, regarding my grandparents, the memory I have from when I was young are the parties in the Cartel Garden and the very colorful house. We had all these households, glasses, pots in beautiful pink, green, blue, and of course furniture on the house. But especially I remember these big parties during Salone del Mobile in Milan.
Yeah, that's nice. Were you always meant to work in the company, or could you choose actually?
No, I could choose, but I think that my father was very good to involve us. I studied economics and I worked in a fashion company before entering in Cartel, but at the end it was the same work.
So today, plastic, the material that your company is all about, is becoming more and more, I don't know, not seen very well. People, because of the polluted seas and landscapes, how do you react to that?
It depends which material you use. We have our suppliers, which are the best in the world. And if you use the top quality, we call it plastic, but it's all different materials, of course. You can nearly reuse all the material. It's more than 90%.
Okay, so it's all recyclable. Yeah. What is to be expected from Cartel then for the next year or for the next period?
We push a lot on the collection and on the products, and usually we have 15 up to 20 new products each year. This year in April, I think that our focus is on this new collection Philippe Starck made for us, which is a big challenge in terms of technology and of design. So we will have these big pieces made with one mold in very heavy and very top quality. So this big transparent sofa, armchair, chair.
It's maybe also a hint to the ghost chair, is it?
Yeah, it's called Aunts and Uncles Family, because it's all around the Louis Ghost, but it's a great innovation in terms of technology for us, and a great investment behind this new line.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.